welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I take out my Bantu knots, and I'll be having Bantu knots out for the very first time in my life, guys. The very first time I'm having my hair like full water, and I'm so excited about this. I just can't wait to see how it all turns out. So anyways, let's start. First, using my water, but this time I'm not going to put water directly on my hair. Instead, I'll mist my hands. We don't want to start working on dry hair. As always, don't work on dry natural hair. So after misting my hands, I'll just use a little bit of oil, just a little bit of oil, so that when you're working on your hair, the hair doesn't get tangled and all sorts. So yeah, let's do this. So I'm going to take my first one, and just from the roots I'll untangle it. I just pray it comes out well. Woo! There. See that? See that, guys? See the bone? I just used water and oil. That's it. You can just see how much it's shiny and everything. Happy. Okay, let's go on. Whoa, I'm so glad. And this one. So just go ahead and check out all of them. That's what I'm doing. But be very careful, don't interfere with the curls, with the coils, because we want our hair as coily as much as possible. I can just see that, but the ends I can do. See that it's coily, but towards the end it's not as coily, so I don't know what I did wrong, but that's it. So undoing them, be very gentle, guys. So you just go and just remove a bit of it. Ooh, I don't know how to do this. But remember not to interfere with the curl pattern. Woo. Just remove from the root and do that. I think I'm doing some good work over here. See that? All that, guys. So to the second one, cut a little section from the root and just open it up. Go with the curl pattern to the tip, then just do that. Leave it. Again, just do that. hasn't come out yet, but it's okay. It's not cast on stone how it should come out, so whichever way it comes out, I'm good with that. See that? So after having that, take your white tooth comb, which I don't have at the moment, but use your white tooth comb. I only have this one. I know it's not a white tooth comb, but I'll use it all the same. Then just pick out the tips of your hair, comb it out a little bit, and the tips don't interfere with your coils or your curl pattern. Just take it out at the tips. Be gentle while doing this. At least by doing this, you'll hide the lines, those lines which you did while sectioning your hair earlier. So just go ahead.